Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Bluetooth. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the chosen one. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by tapping on this icon next to the device and selecting Unpair. To connect to the same one, just click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!